Today's video will be the or actually we're doing this right here. Dirt Off Road, oh so kindly, helped me out picking out this whip light. They make their own. They're actually pretty nice so far. I really haven't touched it that much, but just looking at it, the quality looks pretty impeccable. We'll get some glamour shots in a second. Just look at that. I just dropped one of these lug nuts on my toe. And as you can see, I don't ever wear socks in this garage. I guess I'm glad I just dropped a lug nut on my toe instead of like, I don't know, angle grinding my toes off because I actually cut without safety either.
Oh shit, you probably went on your toe.
That was almost dead. Dude, that would have hurt. That would have hurt so bad I would have just left this here and never would have touched it again. But anyways, we're doing a 5-tire rotation, looking at maintenance real quick. Well, that's what I'm doing now until we get to the main idea of the video, which is the whip light. This is pretty easy. 2 wires, what's it called? Single light application. Pretty sweet stuff. We gotta wire this puppy up. We gotta make some more wiring that will reach to some actual power source. I don't know if I should necessarily tap into where my I think I put a 12-volt power supply in the back of the Jeep. I don't know. Kind of forgotten by now. But anyways, we might do that. But for now, I just need to rotate the tires because we're mounting the whip light right here. Our bracket goes right here. And we gotta take out the tire anyways. And also I'm going on a road trip this weekend. So I just wanna wear my tires evenly. So I'm gonna get into this, and then I guess when we check back in or whatever, we'll be working on the whip light install. All right, we just finished rotating the tires. That is our new spare over there. And right now I'm getting ready to mount up the bracket. So what I'm doing is removing these 2 13mm screws over here on this side, right on the tire carrier. Just keep going here until it is loose. Take these bolts out. It's hot outside today. Like 100 degrees. You think? 100 degrees?
And I'm wearing jeans, so.
Everyone loves to wear long pants for some reason. Anyways. Shut down. Yep, alright. So let's put this thing in. This bracket is actually going to be replaced with one with the double, so I can have my CB also. But for now, since I'm still trying to decide on like CB radios and stuff, because I do have a 29LX, it's actually sitting over there in the garage, but the more I look at it, the more I kind of want to just get a 29, not 29, a 75 ST, like just the handheld version. You see those all around all the time, so. I think that would be a really dope option, and it's really sleek and I can just put it really anywhere. So I don't know, I might end up doing that. I guess you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see what I do. But until then, we're just gonna install this whip light because, as you know, I love my aesthetics. And we're gonna see how this thing is. So that bracket is in place, so now what we're gonna do is mount up our whip. You can see this has a quick release built into it. It's pretty nice. This is also fucking hot because it's sitting in the sun.
My bad.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. And so now what we're gonna do is just set this washer on top. We're gonna use that to separate it. Set this on top right here, and then just go ahead, screw her in. Is the flag, and now this comes with this wiring right here. Right here, so this will plug into the whip, this end here, and then this end will just plug into your 12-volt source. You have a white and a black single light application, super small 18th gauge wire, which is nice. And this, I believe, is a Bluetooth controller. I think the Bluetooth controller is here, not on the lights. I'm not exactly sure how it is, but anyways, we're gonna hook this up, and hopefully we have enough wire on here to just route this from my 12-volt source. I have a 12-volt source for this light right here. This is my kitchen light. Go up there, you can see it, it's on. So I have a 12 volts coming from there, so I'm just gonna use that one, and you also use the same ground as well, I believe. But it's all a matter of trying to get the wires into the cab. So I'm gonna figure out the hard stuff, the wiring, and then we'll check back in when it's all installed. Making a modification to the stock, what is it called? Spare tire carrier, because this bracket doesn't fit quite nicely. As you can see, these ridges right here kind of allow it's not a very flush fit, so whenever you tighten it up, it bends the bracket forward. So I'm just gonna trim away the lip. I have my my flap disc. It's making pretty quick work of it, so I'm just gonna keep going at it. Make sure I don't hit my paint, because then I'll probably cry, and then I'll probably hit it with a coat of black.
Shit.
Oh,
Damn it.
it's okay, we're covering it up. No one will know. I think I'm gonna die soon, probably.
Oh my god.
I have no respirator on, that's it, dude. So. Look at all that.
God, dude. Well, all that's in our lungs now.
Oh well.
Don't forget, guys, wear safety gear.
Yeah, we're safety, don't. I'm just a guide, a suggestion.
I suggested.
The unsafe version. You guys, protect yourself. I love you guys, you know? There it is. That's clean fitting thing right there. Now, and put on whip. Screw that puppy in.
Hey, you're good.
All right, so this is what we have so far. We mounted it up. Just show them the installation. We mounted it up. We have our wire here. I already connected it, and it goes through the spare tire carrier, through here, and through this grommet. How I did the grommet was I just cut out a slit on the inside, and then zip tied it so they stay together. And whenever you put it up, it looks sort of clean. You can maybe rotate this a little bit so then the spare tire will cover it up. But other than that, it comes in through here. Wire goes down. We're gonna set this down in a second. And now all this extra wiring I'm about to zip tie up. This is gonna sit inside the tailgate, so I'm gonna add, this is just like from a, what's it called? From like a bicycle, like the handlebars thing. And it fits actually perfectly right there. If I left the metal here, it's just gonna rattle around every time. And I really don't want that type of rattle action in my Jeep. I already have rattles, but it's always good to stop adding them. So we're just gonna zip tie this down. Make sure it's kind of clean.
It's like actually perfect.
Alright. Get our flush cuts. Cut this off. Perfect. We have it installed. As you can see, it's lighting up really nicely. So the wiring, it went down, as you guys saw, it goes through here, and now we have the red and the yellow. The yellow is negative. I just ran out of black wire, so red's hot. Runs through. I used another door strap to kind of house it in there. It looks pretty OEM. It matches. Goes in through, connects right here. Probably gonna get like a bracket that can attach to my hardtop. But then it goes all the way across the top here, and then to my 12-volt source, which is my my kitchen light here. These are the inputs for 12 volts, so I just go ahead and attach them there. And also my kitchen lights still work, so that's really nice. That's how it attaches. That's how it's mounted up. If you don't have a 12-volt source like this, you're gonna have to run one all the way from the front, from the battery. I suggest running one and just have a source, like a junction box or something. I'll probably put a junction box on that side a little bit later. But for now, this is how it looks. All this aluminum shavings we're gonna have to spray off before the car show tonight, but there it is. Let me get my phone. So I'll show you guys this later, but pretty much just look at the light. So you can change the hue. You have a limited combinations really. Functions, so you can do the red gradual change, yellow gradual changes, crossfades, so they just change between colors, strobe flashing. You can also change the speed of the strobe.
1 hour later.
Got the white lightning, bro.
Oh my god.
A little bit rolling, a little bit. Gang shit. Got the little spacers on there. Little spacers. Got a little bit of damage on there. It'll buff out a little bit. Got some of the tints on the windows, just a little. Pretty clean. Gonna get all that stuff done. Gonna black those out.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Holy fuck. Look at these. It's like fucking 28s or some shit. It's fucking
A little high up, bro.
Yeah. Dude, this is fucking wild. Hey. This is wild. Yo! Sorry. That's fine. Oh, shit.
Dance, bro.
It's quality content.
You know, you can do Mercedes. You can do that.
Alright guys, so I'm in the library a long time after I shot the video. I guess I never forgot to shoot the ender, or I lost the clip somewhere. But big shout out to Dirt Direct Off-Road for helping me pick out the options on my whip light and helping me choose and shop. If you want to contact them, you can get them on Instagram, or they have dirtdirectoffroad.com if you want to order anything from them. Also, 4Low Garage, they got me interested in the whip light in the whole first place. So check that out and check him out if you want to get your own whip light for your own ride. But that's all I have to say. See you guys later. I'm gonna go back to editing some more videos, and yeah, peace.